Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV11 only works when plugged in, it indicates that the battery is failing to hold a charge. This is a common issue due to battery degradation over time. If left unrepaired, your vacuum may become entirely unusable, leaving you with a hefty cleaning task on your hands. To resolve this, you'll need a screwdriver, a new battery compatible with the Dyson SV11, and a small container to keep any screws organized. First, ensure your vacuum is disconnected from the charger. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. Be gentle and take your time to avoid damaging any plastic clips. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the Dyson. Inside, you'll find the battery, which is secured in place. To locate the faulty component, check for any signs of swelling or corrosion on the battery. If you see any, that's the culprit. To extract the battery, disconnect any cables attached to it. Make sure to note where these cables are connected, as you'll need to connect the new battery in the same way. When removing the old battery, apply a gentle but firm pull to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Now, take your new battery and connect the cables as they were on the old one, ensuring a snug fit. Once in place, check that everything is secure before replacing the back cover. Remember to replace the screws, tightening them just enough to hold the cover in place without overdoing it, as this could strip the plastic. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the back cover, plug in your Dyson SV11 and check if it powers on without being connected to the mains. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep your vacuum charged regularly and avoid fully discharging the battery whenever possible. This will help prolong the life of your new battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.